Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
A coalition of youth groups in Isoko land has drawn the federal government's attention to the exclusion of the Isoko ethnic nationality from its intervention programs in the Niger Delta. At a recent press briefing in Abuja, the distraught Isoko youths maintained that the marginalization of the Isoko nation was in spite of its immense contributions to Nigerians' economic survival as well as the ongoing peace process in the Niger Delta. Correspondent Lovely Ofigo has more.
Soon after crude oil was discovered in Oloibiri in 1956, exploration of the black gold commenced in Isoko land in 1956. By 1958, the first oil well in present-day Delta State was drilled in Uzere, Isoko South local government area. Shortly after, in 1962, oil was drilled in Olomoro, another Isoko community, also in Isoko South local government area of Delta State. With over 8 flow stations and 130 oil wells, Isoko land accounts for one of Nigeria's largest onshore oil producers. Despite its immense contributions to the country's economic survival over the years, the Isoko ethnic nationality has been denied benefits of its oil-producing status in the Niger Delta.
There is no time that the Isoko have disrupted the production of oil like other communities. But yet, when it comes to benefit, the Isoko man will get nothing for their contribution.
Where you look, all the federal appointments, ambassador, ministers, director in the parastatals, you can't find any Isoko man there.
Having been excluded from the presidential amnesty program set up in 2009 to produce skills and empowerment for youths in the Niger Delta, the Isoko youths are beginning to wonder if the federal government is taking their peaceful disposition for granted. They call on the federal government, therefore, to allow equity prevail in the administration of the presidential amnesty program.
The federal government should revisit the amnesty and see that the Isoko nation has been grossly cheated in all ramifications of benefit from the federal CAFA.
The federal government of Nigeria has pushed us to the wall, and we are ready to bounce back any moment from now. We are calling on Mr. President through this media to check all he has promised the Isoko people. We want to see that things will start happening right now as we speak to the federal government of Nigeria.
The coalition of Isoko youth groups has also called on President Muhammadu Buhari to fulfill his promise to look into the plight of the Isoko people when, in July 2018, he met with Isoko leaders at the presidential villa in Abuja.
Inside the Niger Delta,